Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Let's make my favorite holiday drink, Guinness Punch. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. I'm not a fan of eggnog, and neither do I like strong drink, but I like a bit of an in-between. Therefore, my option is Guinness Punch. It's creamy and also have that hint of alcohol. Now let us make it. Now there are different variations in which we make Guinness Punch, and I'm going to show you my spin on it. I have even added my favorite tapioca pearls to make it my favorite bubble drink. For our punch, we're going to need Guinness, a bit of rum, and over here we have sweeteners, condensed milk, a little evaporated milk, and I'm going to be using nourishment, but I'm using the chocolate flavor. And why? It makes it taste richer and full body. And over here now we have all our flavorings: almond essence, rose water, nutmeg, and some vanilla. Let's start with our Guinness. Next, the evaporated milk. Next, the nourishment. Most people choose vanilla supplement or nutriment, but in my case, I enjoy adding the chocolate nutriment or supplement because it gives the punch that body. There's a creaminess, and trust me, it tastes so much creamy and fuller by adding that chocolate. Now it's time for the condensed milk. Now you sweeten to taste. I'm using about half tin. Now I'm replacing the lid and blend again. Now it's time for flavoring. First we add a teaspoon of vanilla, next half teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of rose water, that's about it, half a teaspoon of almond extract. Now we add a little rum, and depending on who is having it, you can add a lot or very little. Now let's blend this up with all the flavors incorporated. Let's do a taste test. See whether or not I need more milk or flavorings. Perfect. Now we're going to put it away to be chilled. I don't normally add ice to my punch because I don't want to dilute it. But what I do, I leave it in the fridge for a long time or in the freezer until you get that almost freezing point where it's extremely cold, and that's the best way to have it. This is a wonderful alternative to your traditional eggnog. Please try it. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.